Da 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 da. Hello, class 5, and welcome to lesson number 2. In lesson number 1, we looked at the first section of the questions, of the personal questions about you. And the homework was to learn them. So, do you remember? And if I asked you, who do you play with? Do you remember how to answer? I play with my friends, my brother, my sister. And how often do you see your friends? I see them every day, or I see my friends at the weekends. I see my friends during the week at school. These are examples of possible answers. Okay, but today we're going to look at the second section, which is the list of questions about food. Okay, do you remember? About food. I'm going to read them one by one. So please, repeat after me. Then we will translate them and try to answer them one by one. Okay, so what's your favorite food? What do you have for breakfast? You have to repeat, okay? Repeat after me. Number 3, who buys your food? 4, where does your family buy their food? 5, how do you go there? 6, when do you go there? 7, what fruit do you like? 6, what fruit don't you like? Oh, strange numbers. The numbers are not right. I'm sorry. I have to correct it. Here we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 8. Anyway, let's go on with the list. What vegetables do you like? And 9. What vegetables don't you like? 10. Can you cook? Again, there's another 10. I'm so sorry. Who cooks the meals in your house? 11. Who is the best cook in your family? And there is another 11. Do you help in the kitchen at home? 12. Where do you have lunch? 13. Who do you have lunch with? 14. What's your favorite dinner? And 15. What food is your country famous for? So the questions are more than 15 actually, because I wrote some wrong numbers, but anyway, that's not important. I don't teach maths, I teach English. So that's it. I was just clumsy. Okay, let's see one by one. Question number 1, what's your favorite food? I don't need to translate that. It's like, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite film? In the first section. So, what's your favorite food? What do you answer? My favorite food is pizza or chips, sausages, ice cream, kind of stuff you like. Okay, then number 2, more interesting. What do you have for breakfast? And I'm going to translate it with magic. Magic. Here we have the translation. What do you have for breakfast? And the answer. For breakfast, I have milk with biscuits, or for breakfast I have cereal, or maybe for breakfast I have tea with biscuits, or yogurt, whatever, but please answer with a long answer like for breakfast I have, and then you say the food you have. It's better to try to speak some more. Try to avoid just saying one word. Try to speak more. It's better for you to practice. Yeah, it's not difficult. You can say it. Just practice with me. Okay, let's see now question number whatever. Who buys your food? Magic. So, who buys your food? And here you can answer my mom buys my food, or my dad buys my food, or you can say my parents buy my food. In that case, you will just say buy, no S, because my parents are two, my mom and dad, so we don't need the S. Okay, let's go on while I clean my little board. Well, it's not actually a real board, it's just a sheet of paper with some plastic bag, as you see, but it works perfectly if you have the right felting. Anyway, yeah, with the COVID virus, we have to find solutions for our problems, no? Don't we? So let's go on. Where does your family buy their food? Where does your family buy their food? That's the question. My family buys their food in the supermarket, in the grocery store, in the market. Yeah, I think that you all buy your food in the supermarket. That's the next question. How do you go there? How do you go to the supermarket? You go, well, you will answer, we go there by car or on foot. Yeah, but let me translate first. How do you go there? We go there by car. We go there on foot. We go there, I don't think by bus. Well, how do you go to the supermarket? By car. We go there by bike? Maybe. Well, I think you all go to the supermarket by car. And when do you go there? When? We go to the supermarket every day. We go to the supermarket at the weekends. Okay, I don't need to translate that, do I? Come on. Where and when? In which days? Let's go on. Yeah, number 7. What fruit do you like? You know the question, do you like? You have to tell me what fruit do you like.